Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Foetron Academy. My name is Harshwat, and in today's video, we are going to tell you how to activate and create keyboard shortcut in your Gmail account. Now, let's move forward and talk about the point to be discussed in today's video. In today's video, we are going to talk about 3 points. In the first point, we will tell you how to activate the keyboard shortcut in your Gmail account. After that, we will tell you how to use those keyboard shortcut in your Gmail account. And in the end of our video, we will discuss how to make changes in those keyboard shortcut which you use in your Gmail account. So I hope you have understood that what we are discussing is about keyboard shortcut because that will make your life much easier. Now let's go out to our Gmail account and see how can we use them. Now we are in our Gmail account. So this is our Gmail landing page. Now we have to activate the keyboard shortcut. How can we do that for our Gmail account? First of all, you have to go on to this gear icon, which is a settings option. When you click on it, you will see quick settings. In here, you will see all settings. You have to click on it. When you click on it, you will see it will load setting page. After that, in a general, under the guideline of general, there is an option that is keyboard shortcut. You have to look for it, and this is the one keyboard shortcut. Keyboard shortcut is actually now off. I have to put it on. So I will click on and will go down and click on save changes. When I click on save changes, it will load back into our landing page of our Gmail. Now again we will go into the settings and click on see all settings. When you click on it, you will see again the setting page will load, and this is our setting page. Now we will go into the advanced setting after clicking on in the general in the keyboard shortcut and putting it on in the general settings. After that, we will go into the advanced section. In advanced, you will see custom keyboard shortcuts. When you enable them, it will give you the ability to customize your keyboard shortcut via a new setting tab from which you can remap keys to various action. Now let's see how it works. Again, we go down and click on save changes. When you click on save changes, now you will see the old Gmail account will reload from the starting point. And now we are back to square one, which is our Gmail landing page. And how we see that keyboard shortcut is activated or not. Now we will go on to our settings and click on see all settings. When I click on see all settings, you will see certain changes in our account. Now you can see in here there is a keyboard shortcut option. You will see keyboard shortcut. When I click on keyboard shortcut, you will see current keyboard shortcut mapping. So these are the actions. Now these are the actions for open keyboard shortcut help, search chat contacts, focus, last mole. So these are the actions for that. So last mole you can click on ESC, it will go to the last mole. Compose we have to click on C. So now you can see when we click on C it is compose. Just remove this. After that we have a compose in tab. Click on D. You will see there is a new tab that opens up and I give you an option to compose your, you can drag this into your new tab also. Just remove this now. Again we will go back to our settings. If you want to search the mail, just put on slash. Now you will see it comes here in a search mail option. So if you want to go back to the thread list, you will click on U. So this will also work. If you want a newer conversation, click on K. After that, if you want an older conversation, click on J, and if you want to select a conversation, you click on X. Toggle star rotate among superstars. Then click on S. Remove label. If you want to remove any label, click on Y. If you want to mute the conversation, click on M. And if you want to report a spam, you can just click on exclamation mark. If you want to delete certain thing, click on hashtag. After that, previous message is P, next message is N. After that, reply is R. Reply new window is R. Now let me show you this also in an inbox. I want to reply for this mail. Just click on R. Now you will see the reply has been set. Now we just have to click on everything. Now we don't have to go here and click on reply or click on in here. Just click on R. And if you click on capital R, so this will also work. Now we will go into the C settings again. See all settings. In here you will see a keyboard shortcut. Now after that we will go down. So if I want to reply all, click on A. If you want to reply all in a new window, click on capital A. If you want to forward F, if you want to forward in new window, click on capital F. Go to the inbox, you can go GI. When I click on GI, you will see we will go on to our inbox. Again, we will go into the settings and see other shortcut options. Now we are into this. Go to the inbox GI, go to the started conversation GS, snooze conversation GB, go to sent message GT, go to draft GD, go to all mail GA. So like this you can go on and go forth as per your own desire. If you want to update conversation, click on N. So these are the things that you can do. Mark as read I, mark as unread U. So these are the important ones. Archive, you can click on E. Open, move to, you can click on V. Expand all, you can click on semicolon. After that, snooze B. Open conversation O. Go to label task GL GK and show menu HM. Click on these are the show menu options. You can use that also. Open phone, you can click on HP. After that, if you want to go for search filter, click on GF. So these are the options. And after covering every point in our keyboard shortcut, now let me tell you how to make changes in your keyboard shortcut. For example, in spite of compose, you want C for be used to another section. In spite of C, you want to make it with capital C. Then you have to click on shift and click C. Now this is capital C. You have to search that it should not be used in any other option. You can go down and click on save changes. Now you will go back to our inbox. When I click on shift and see, you will see a new tab will open up for our compose section, and this is how you make changes in your keyboard shortcut. Now let me remove that, and again we will go into see all settings and again into keyboard shortcut. And now if you want to make changes and restore to default, just click in here and it will be restored. After that, click on save changes. Now everything will go back to what it was before and when it come in a default settings. And this is how you just with a buttons and using a keyboard shortcut you can make your life easier. See the everything you can do. Now I hope I have covered every perspective of a keyboard shortcut. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries have been cleared. And if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.